Right then. The person taking our 4th position tonight at the finals is Rachel Anara. Can I have a round of applause for Rachel, guys? Rachel, we'll talk to you first. Girls, what would you like to say? Zoe, what would you like to say?
Rich, you've been amazing all season. You've been so versatile, and every week you've come out and you've shown us something new. You've been phenomenal. Like, you are amazing and you're so talented, and this is only the beginning. So yeah, well done.
Thank you, Zoe. Emma? Yeah, 2 fantastic performances tonight. It was such a tough decision. Use this now as like your platform to move forward in whatever it is you choose to do in music. Just make sure it is in music. Congratulations.
Thank you, Carrie.
Yeah, just to echo what the girls have said, just a massive congratulations. It's been lovely actually getting to know you personally as well this season, and I feel like you really, you've made your mark in the network, so just welcome on board. You've been absolutely sensational. I look forward to seeing you.
Thanks, Carrie.
Yeah, Rich, you've come such a long way, and you really should just be so proud of yourself. You're a phenomenal talent, and just don't ever stop doing what you're doing. Well done, babe.
Thanks, Joey.
Rich, what journey you've been on? First of all, congratulations. You know, like I said, there's no losing on this spot. These 2 girls took this, remember? Alright, so... Well, I thought one of you was going to mention it, but you didn't, so I thought I'd mention it. No, literally, honestly, be really proud of yourself, you know, because you've been on an incredible journey. I've said this earlier on. There are no losers in this room tonight. At the end of the day, you 4 went up there tonight and smashed it, and we still had to order this up, and this was hard, really difficult. It takes nothing away from you or anybody else up there, or every single one of you are incredible. This is just how it is, alright? But well done, and that's a welcome to the network, Rich. Well done, girl. Well, of course. You put that there, girl. Well done, Rich. Right then, here we go. So, we are about to announce our 3rd position tonight. And again, like I said, this was really tough. The person taking the 3rd position in Talent Cymru tonight is... Easy Mac. Can I have a round of applause for Easy Mac, guys? Zoe, what would you like to say?
If there's... Should I speak or... Yeah, if there's one word to call you, it is talented. Your writing skills, your original songs, everything about you are a talented person. Again, this is just a start, because the end of the day is accomplished and we had to make a decision. It weren't easy, but yeah, well done on everything you've done this season. Thank you, Zoe. Emma.
I loved personally your original stuff tonight, and I really hope that, again, like I said to Rich, whatever it is that you decide to do moving forward, just keep doing that original stuff, because when it comes to songwriting or rap writing, whatever, to reviews, you are super talented. So thank you for your performances tonight. Thoroughly enjoyed them.
Thank you, Carrie.
Congratulations. It's not easy to sort of like make your mark with rap at all, I don't think, but this has been an amazing platform for you, and I think I can honestly say you've made fans for life, so we're all going to be there supporting you now, and what's the next step in your journey. So massive congratulations, you have been immense. Well done.
Thanks, Claire. Louise.
Yeah, you've been fabulous this season. You've really entertained us week after week after week. It's been lovely to see all your originals. You are an amazing writer, an amazing performer, and like I said to you earlier, I think you've got a big career ahead of you. So well done, and thank you for coming and sharing it with us.
Thanks, Joey.
What can I say? I mean, people, like I said, when I'm making these announcements by you with 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, people must be going, oh my God, they're too talented. The truth is, all of you could represent this title, every single one of you. That is the problem. So we've got to pick one person to represent him, and all 4 of you can represent it. Easy back. I'll say it again because I want to make sure you leave with this note. What you have done this season has been exceptional. All right, you've been very consistent, very consistent, very creative, and you've shown off more than enough that you need. All right. I'm going to leave you with this because there's new people in the room tonight. I 100% and on out, and I'll say this one more time for the last time, definitely one of the best rappers I've ever witnessed in Wales. Alright, I'm going to leave you with that because I want you to know that. Well done, buddy. Round of applause. Alright, guys. So this is it. Are we ready? Chloe, Young Sex, you are the final two of this journey this season. Well done to you both, right? This was tough, this was hard, but one of you are going to be crowned this season's representative. Are we all ready for this? You ready, guys? Here we go. Right. Once I make this announcement, Kate, you're going to come to the runner-up first, and then we'll come to the representative. Here we go. After 10 weeks of searching for talent around Wales this year, it's been an absolute honour to see you all perform and grow and develop. But somebody is about to be crowned our first place position, following in the footsteps of many incredible talents. But the new representative of Talent Search Cymru 2022 is... Chloe Lawrence. Come on, round of applause for Chloe, guys, and Young Sex. I want to firstly come to Young Sex now. Well done, Chloe. Take a moment now, we're going to come and speak to you, right? If family wants to come down, family's welcome to come down and see her. If any of the family want to come down. Young Sex, we want to have a chat with you first, buddy. Zoe, what would you like to say?
Lou, you've had an amazing journey. You've made so much progress from week one. All you've done is make progress. You've come out of your shell, you've found who you are, you've become confident. And to be honest, I just hope you're as proud of yourself as we all are of you. Good, I'm glad. You've done amazing. Well done. Thanks all, Emma.
Yeah, again, you know, seeing you clearly, listening to other people talk, seeing you blossom on. Seeing you blossom on that stage tonight, you know, just take it all in and enjoy this moment because this is just the start of what I'm sure will be a fantastic week.
Yeah, you fought really, really hard to be here tonight, and it is so well deserved. It really is. You've been absolutely incredible. Get that stuff out there. You're going to have a huge following. Like I said to Easy Mac, I think you've made fans for life here, and we're all going to be behind you, supporting you. You've had a fantastic evening. You really are incredible. And you know that when Joe said you could all represent, you do all represent in your own individual ways. You're all unique and you all bring something different to the network. Welcome on board. That's what I can say. Thanks, Kelly.
Yeah, you brought so much this season, and I wish that people in the room would give you the respect you deserve to have these comments. Honestly, you should walk away from this process being so proud because you are unrecognisable now to how you come into it, and you can only go up from here, kids. Absolutely phenomenal tonight. Well done. Thanks, Joey.
Young Sex, I said it to you earlier on in one of the comments about how much of a flip you've made in this competition, and that flip wasn't just fantastic, it was the best move you made, because by making that move, it's taken you here. Let me tell you now, runner-up spot with Chloe, you've got to take that back, and you go, do you know what, I'm runner-up of this season. You've done it, bud. You've got to this spot, so believe in yourself, believe in that confidence you brought to us, and own it after this. Own it, own it, own it. You've got it, bud. Well done.
Thanks, Joey.
Can I have a round of applause for Chloe back up to the front, please? Our brand new representative voice of Talent Search Cymru. Chloe has been one hell of a journey. You came into this not knowing what to expect. You came into this, you thought, I'll try it out, I'll see how it goes, and you've taken the crown. You've taken the first spot. Welcome aboard to the other representatives here tonight and everything. You thoroughly deserve to be where you are right there. So please believe that. Guys, what do you think? Yeah, literally. Absolutely amazing, Chloe, honestly. I won't actually do this. We don't usually do this. We haven't done it for a while. But can I ask you to just do one thing to the thing? Can you sing your winning song then, please? So guys, just to announce, if you've got the mic and they're ready, Kyle. Guys have prepared, Chloe. Just remember now, guys, obviously this song, the video is going to be up tomorrow evening, and the video is in dedication to what's happening in Ukraine and stuff. So get behind it, guys. It's not very nice what we've been seeing the last few months in the world. But Chloe, this is your moment, girl, and you are our winner. You ready for this, girl? Go for it. Right, ladies and gents, I'm a brand new representative, Chloe Love.